talking face, so what? I'm a numb nigga, chop on me with a drum nigga, run up on me, you a dumb nigga, shoot shit up, Molly in my...
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chill Will, and I'm back with another video, man. And as y'all can see in the title today, I'm coming with y'all with my first official try-on haul, man. We got a Fashionnova men try-on haul today, man. I ordered a couple tees for back to school coming up soon, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted to do this try-on haul for y'all so y'all can see where to go get fire tees from, show y'all the quality, explain everything about Fashionnova men, you know, and just let y'all know a little bit about them. And yeah, like I said, this is my first ever try-on haul. I did do like a review on Dolo Bing's the shorts a while back, but this is an actual try-on haul where I got more than one thing from the place. But that's what we're gonna be doing today, man. Make sure to leave a like on this video, man. Comment some more videos I want to see. If y'all want to see some more lookbooks where I show y'all back to school outfits, stuff like that, let me know. And most importantly, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you guys are notified when I post, man. We on the road to 2K. We almost there. Keep running up the views, man. We trying to get monetized on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That will be down here, either down here or down here somewhere. And it'll be in the description below. And I'll catch y'all in the next clip. All right, y'all. So we about to start this video off, man. Before we even get started into the shirts, before we unpackage anything, man, I'm just going to show y'all the packaging, basically. So this is the packaging it came, man. Fashionnova.com. As you can see on the other side, it's the same thing, but it has my address on the other side with the Fashionnova at the bottom, so I ain't even gonna show you all of that. But this the packaging came in. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I did remember I ordered, I think, 5 shirts and some sunglasses. Only reason I ordered the sunglasses because I needed $3 more to get free shipping, so that's what we got in here. But I don't remember what all the shirts look like. I forgot, so we're just gonna get right into it. Let's open them up. And I will be doing like a try on also. Like I'm actually be trying them on. Y'all see that? So let's go. So we popping it open, man, and they all came in like a Fashionnova type packaging, and I already can tell what shirt this is. This is hard. And I did order a large, by the way, before I even get into trying them on. I'm gonna let y'all know I did order a large in every shirt. I am 5'6", 170, just to let y'all know if y'all want to order from here and get a reference. I do like the oversized look, so hopefully they fit a little oversized, not too much, but you'll just see I ordered a large so you guys can get like a reference. But I'm gonna pop this open real quick and show y'all what I got. This shirt's definitely tough. I just smelled it to make sure, because some shirts be smelling good. Hopefully it's not too big. Oh yeah, this looks like a perfect oversized tee. Perfect. Let's get it. So the first shirt we got today is this white shirt, and it says Saint. I think it says Saint Sinners. I don't know what that means, but this shirt is fire. You know what I'm saying? You can see this is how it looks. It's an all white tee with butterflies on it, blue and orange butterflies. And as you can see, it does have a baddie on here. I don't know who it is, but shirt's kind of hard. I ain't gonna cap to you. You guys gonna see how it looks on me in the next clip. So yeah, let me show that now. All right, y'all, so that was the first shirt. That's how it looked on me, man. This is the next shirt we got today, man. Like I said, all of these shirts are a large. And all these shirts I got match a pair of shoes I got. So that last shirt is gonna go with my black and white dunks or my blazers that I will order soon. I will do an updated sneaker collection soon, so be on the lookout for that. But the next shirt we got today, this is my baby blue shirt. This shirt is actually really hard because this could have went with the Hyper Royal ones that I wanted, but I'm eventually get them later. But this shirt is my Deadly Desire shirt, and as you can see, baby blue to go with the Legend Blues, and then it also has the blue on the top. It says Deadly Desires, and it has a lady's mouth, a tongue licking a lollipop. And the bottom, what does the bottom say? The bottom says there is often less danger in the things that we fear than the things that we desire. This crap is tough, man. And all the prices for these were in between $11 and $16. They are having sales right now, so go check them out right now. Fashionnova men, check them out. But that's enough talking. Let's see how it looks on me. Let's. So that's how that looked on me too. And don't mind the pants, you know what I'm saying, or the fit. You know, I'm gonna do a back to school outfits video soon, so y'all gonna see actually how I piece these fits together. So don't just like, you know, don't think that's how the final look is gonna be. But yeah. So the next shirt we got right here is it's a black shirt. It's all black, and it has 2 ladies' lips on them. Really nothing crazy. 2 lips on them. As you can tell, you know I love the ladies, you know what I'm saying? Nah, these shirts just really hard, though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So that's the next shirt. Really nothing on the back, nothing too crazy. Shirt is still fire, but enough talking. Let's see how it looks. So that's how that shirt looked, man. We on the fourth shirt today. You know, these shirts are coming out great. I'm actually gonna definitely have to order from them, you know. And the number one rule when shopping online, bro, you have to take your time and look, because a lot of y'all probably already checked out Fashionnova Men before and like, bro, where are these shirts at? Like, I don't see the shirts like this. Bro, just take your time and look. That's how you find good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So you just gotta look. I found these shirts on like probably like page 40 out of like 100 pages on there. You know, so you just gotta take your time, sit down, take like an hour, look, get what you like. That's one thing I learned about fashion, man, and drip over time. I used to always get stuff that I really didn't want. At the moment I wanted it, as soon as it came out, I was just like, I don't even like it no more. But now these shirts are shirts I can tell I'm gonna wear for a minute, you know what I'm saying? But the next shirt we got is this. What shirt is this? Oh yeah, this is the shirt this is the shirt I actually really wanted to go with my blazers. It is an all white shirt with money on the front. It has a money sign. It has just a money sign right there, and you guys think it's just that, but nah, the back is hard. The back has like a ski mask with a teardrop. Shirt is hard. You know what I'm saying? I wish it was in the front. I do wish, like, I like designs that be in the front of the shirt, but it's cool. Really nothing else to say. Like I said, the prices between all these shirts were between like $11 and $16. They are having a sale. So great prices, you know what I'm saying? Spent like 70 bucks on 5 shirts and some glasses. To me, that's a good price. But without further ado, let's see how it look on me. Let's go. All right, y'all, so this is the last shirt that I got today, man. This is, I'm pretty sure I know what shirt this is. I got this because as soon as I seen it, it said bestseller restock, so automatically I know people loved it. So I was like, let me check it out. And it matched like crazy, like coincidentally, it matched exactly with my Hair Jordan 6s. If you guys know what the Hair Jordan 6s are, then you know. If you don't, look them up, and then when you see the shirt, you'll be like, okay, yeah, they go together. But this is the shirt. It's all red. It says on the front, it says Broken Hearts Club, Love Kills, Los Angeles, only the lonely can play. And as you can see, this is how it looks in the front. Really nothing in the front, you know what I'm saying? In the back though, the back is hard. This is Broken Hearts Club, bunch of flowers, stuff like that. You know, I mess with this shirt heavy. The fit I'm gonna wear at this is gonna be actually valid. So I'm pretty hyped about this shirt. Yeah, nothing too much to say. Let's see how it look on me. Let's go. So those are all the shirts, man. The last thing we got is the sunglasses, man. I'm gonna just put them on real quick. I thought they forgot my glasses, but they did got the glasses right here. This is like the little packaging, little Fashionnova Men packaging they came in. You see how they look real quick. Like I said, I just got these because of I needed $3 more, like to buy something for $3 more to get free shipping. These were like maybe like $5, so got them. I'm still wearing them every once in a while. I'm probably gonna wear them to take pictures. And you know, I ain't a person that wears sunglasses everywhere. I might wear them while I'm driving because I do be needing these sometimes. I hate when the sun's in my eyes when I'm driving, so that's probably when I'm gonna wear them the most. But these look pretty clean. I'm actually glad I chose this pair. I was looking for a good pair. These look like some really good glasses that you'll get from like a real glasses place. But let's see how they look on me. Boy, what? Yeah, nah, I'm glad I got these. Y'all gonna stop playing with me. I'm gonna get the trucker caps, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the ring light in my eyes. I'm gonna get the trucker cap, you know what I'm saying? And trucker caps, I'm gonna get my grills coming soon. Stop playing, your boy finna be dripped out. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. But this is the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Make sure to leave a like if y'all enjoyed the video. Comment if y'all want some more clothing hauls. I do got 10 shirts, 10 graphic tees. Yes, you heard me right. I got 10 graphic tees coming from this place called Vintage Packs. They do great like packaging for can't get my words out. Vintage tees. They do like packs for vintage tees where you can get a 3-piece, a 5-piece, a 10-piece, 15-piece, and a 50-piece. I got a 10-piece for $100. That's mean $10 a shirt. Great brand, and it's shirts from like 1990 all the way up to 1960 all the way up to like 2000. So they got great shirts, you know what I'm saying? So I ordered something from there. They should be here probably in the next week or two right before I go off to school. So that video will be made before I go off to school. Be on the lookout for that. Comment some more videos y'all want to see. I will do more try-on hauls and how to style videos coming up soon because I'm getting more clothes and shoes coming up soon. So be on the lookout for those. And most importantly, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you guys are notified when I post, man. We're on the way to 2K. And without further ado, I'll catch you on the next one.